Okay, so in this video we're going to start writing some JavaScript, but before that let's go to, as you can see, we're going to use this API ActuWeather API. So let me go there. Okay, and it's free to use. If you're new, you need to sign up. So I'm pretty sure you're new, so sign up. I'm just going to sign up using Facebook. Okay, and there you get the API key. Okay, this is the API. Okay, and then you can generate. Okay, that is the getting started. Let me open this in a new window, and you can generate your own key here. Okay, let's generate. API key has been successfully generated. Okay, so this is my new API key. Great. Okay, so this is my API key. HTTP, you choose the protocol, whether HTTP or HTTPS. Okay, format JSON. Okay, so what we can do is we can test it out. Okay, so for example, this is the sample one they have. So this is the URL where you will send the request, HTTPS. Let's take that. Okay, and for example, let's give it a try. So this one is fetching the weather forecast of Paris. Okay. Now, as you can see, it shows error because it requires the API key. So we're going to use our own API key and try it out. Okay. So I'm sure you are able to get here, and it's pretty simple. Just tick the button, generate key, and I'm sure you have this key. Okay. So I'm going to take this key. Okay. But before, just keep it here in this window, and let's begin with our JavaScript. Okay, so the first thing obviously you do is start with the $sign to start writing some jQuery document and ready function, and this will take a function, and inside we're going to write a code. Okay, so the very first thing I can think of is hiding this loading text. Okay, so that is the first thing I clearly see. So index.html. So what have we named that? Okay, so we have given the ID of weather. Okay, let's take that and fix that up. So the first thing we do, dollar target that ID, sorry, has, that's the weather, and what you want to do is hide. By default, hide. Refresh, it's gone. Beautiful. Get the navigator geolocation. Okay, so that is the property of the window object. In the console, if you type navigator geolocation, this is the property we're going to use, right? We get the geolocation object, and we need to pass the callback function. Okay, so navigator.geolocation, what we're going to do is we're going to check if navigator.geolocation is in the browser. Then what we're going to do is we're going to set the current position to empty string to begin with, right? We don't have any data yet, so the current position, set it to empty. Now even on this navigator geolocation, we have another property of variable, okay, that is called get current position. So get current position. Yeah. Okay, so this will require a function. Okay, so that's what we're going to use. So the navigator geolocation get current position, and we give it a function as its argument. This function will return the position, and then we will set this position as the current position. Okay, so current position equals to position. So what is happening here is we are using the navigator.geolocation, this property of the window object, and we're using this method available for us to get the current position. Okay, and this position will return a callback function. Okay, so we're using the callback function which will return the position, and whatever it is returned from this current position by the browser, we're going to set that as our current position. Okay, which was empty, now it is available. So let's give it a try if it is actually available. Console.log, and if we console log current position, okay, as you can see, it will ask the location. So the browser already knows that we're trying to access the get current position. We execute this method, so it already knows. So let's give it allow, yes. Okay, it takes a few seconds, and then we get this object, position object, so which has the coordination, latitude and longitude is available here. Awesome. So based on this latitude and longitude, we can make API requests, and that will give us the proper information. Okay, so this is the first step. This is all looking great. Now what we want to do is we want to like I said, separate the latitude and longitude, because based on that we're going to make the API request. Okay, so now that we know that it is available in this current location object, position object, okay, what I can do is set lat and longitude. Okay, so variable latitude equals to current position, right? Current position chords, it's inside the chords, and then okay. Now same with the longitude. Longitude equals to current position chords longitude. Let me make sure the spelling is correct. Longitude. That's great. Now we have separated the latitude and longitude from this result, which is great. Now let's give it a try. I'm sure it works. Just I like to keep seeing in the console so I know what I'm doing. Yeah. Allow. All right, that's great. Okay. So maybe we should take a break on this video, and then we'll continue this one on the next video. All right, see you in the next video.